Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video, I'll just take you through Google Ads interface, Google Ads account in which you'll be able to understand how to generate your remarketing tag. So this video will take you through how to generate your first remarketing tag for remarketing audiences, for remarketing ads and campaigns. In nutshell, how to remarket your ads and campaigns to your customers who already visited your website. So for example, let me just take you through, like if you have gone to a Myntra website, a shopping website, and you select a particular shoes, and you just get to know that that particular shoes is following you everywhere on internet. For example, if you go to ABC website or you go to some blogging website, that particular creative of the ad or that particular image of the ad keeps on following you. So guys, this is remarketing. So how do we do that? We have to set up a remarketing pixel, we have to create a segment of custom remarketing code. So a custom remarketing code is the HTML based code, simple HTML snippet that we need to append to the website. So if you know how to do website designing and development, that's very simple, that even I can take on a different video. You can just watch on that. Or if you not even know it, you can just integrate with your own WordPress website, or you can give it to a developer, they can integrate it. So let us start with the how to create the custom code for remarketing. So guys, in the last video, you have seen how to create and run an effective Google Ads campaign and the steps of how to create your first effective Google Ads campaign, that is a traffic campaign, click to website campaign, or display campaign. So if you've not done that, please visit and review and learn that video first. So if you have done that, then only you'll be able to create a remarketing tag. So the first is you have to create an AdWords campaign. Number two, create the account. And number three, create the advertising tag. So let's log into advertising campaign. So I'm just logged in here. I'll just sign in. So this is the URL domain, just remember it. If you have not used to it or created ads.google.com, this is the particular domain we need to log in. I'll just go to my ad account. So guys, you would have remembered in my earlier videos how I created account. So once you create the account, the pop-up ad and accounts will come like this. The number of accounts that are created will come, you can select from there. So this is my ad interface here. I had taken you through all the different parameters, segments, reports, and what each particular term in detail means. What is an overview tab? How does it function? What is the campaign tab? How does it function? What is an ad group tab? How does it function? Everything. So in and out of what exactly a campaign is, the in details, what it comprises of, what is a video, what is a keyword, all have been taken through my previous videos. So do guys look into that. So this is the interface as you have seen it and I explained earlier. So let's now, the whole task is to create a remarketing tag. So I'll click on the wrench icon here, tools and settings. A drop down will come here. So you can go to the second drop down, that's shared library, audience manager. I can click on this audience manager here. It'll just open into a new window on which you will get three items on the left. That is audience insights, audience sources, and audience lists. So I'll just brief you here what exactly each of these means. Audience lists is one you have, these all will come only when you have created your remarketing tag. So this, I've created my remarketing tag, then only this has come. So guys, you first create your remarketing tag. Then you will see audience list. For example, you will see your all visitors list, a particular website URL list, a particular category list, is non-converters, converters, people who have signed into email address, people who have visited your particular page, people who have visited or spend time on a particular page. So each and every aspect from an article level that you can capture, and even with time you can also get an AdWords optimized list. That is, for example, if you're running your own campaign, your own category, AdWords with time will integrate with the learnings, with the artificial intelligence behind, and your targeting will create the most optimized list of people who will be attributing to take an action on a website. For example, as of now it shows 50 to 230 people are interested in my website who are not a part of my audience and targeting but may be interested in, so I can use this particular audience and run for my campaign. So this is what exactly AdWords does. It creates automatic lists accordingly depending on the targeting, and you can use these lists in your campaigns for a more effective relevance campaign, for a more effective relevance ROI, and for more effective and relevant and sales. So this is the audience lists. You can even create lists here depending on whatever types you want: website users, app, YouTube, or customer list. Next comes audience insights. So this gives, as by the word insights, is whatever targeting audience you are targeting to in a campaign, or whatever audiences have been generated from different locations, interest or in market, or custom affinity or in market, or you can say a remarketing tag list, all will be here. So in nutshell, it will give you all the locations, devices, and your audience profile. Audience profile means how exactly your audiences is in terms of gender, in terms of age, in terms of location, in terms of device, in terms of browser, in terms of network search or display or any other, or in terms of interests. So this will give you an overview idea of what all your audiences are. That means what all you're targeting to, the behavior of your audiences, what it is online. So our piece of the task is you come to audience sources.